Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy wood decor using mostly Dollar Tree items. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using 3 of these Dollar Tree little wood boxes. I believe this is the pineapple one. So I'm going to start by removing the little leaf parts at the top using my handsaw. Then I will be painting these with the Waverly Antique Wax. Once they are dry, I will be gluing these together, but I'm going to glue like the middle one more at the top, so it's not going to be directly side by side. Well, it is technically, but one of them is going to be more like up, so it's going to be like this. Now if you want to make this nice and sturdy, you can always add a different glue. Now the best part about this is that you can use this all year round by switching the greenery. The one I'm using right now is the one from Walmart. Now I felt like this was a little bit too plain, so I decided to add this Dollar Tree home side right in the front. I didn't paint it, I left it the wood color, and that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood circle. Now I do want to point something out, that these are new because these are way thicker than the regular ones. The regular ones are like half of this size. So I am so glad that they're making them thicker. So the first thing I'm going to do is paint my sign white. Now I did paint a little bit more than half. Then for the other part, I will be adding this wallpaper, which I love because it already has adhesive, so you just cut it to size and stick it on there. So I decided to do this differently. Instead of going like outside your door, this can go inside your home. So I will be using one of the Dollar Tree pieces of wood, and I'm going to cut it to size and paint it with a Waverly Antique Wax. This is going to be a small little shelf that I will be adding right here. I will not be adding anything heavy to this little shelf, that's why I will be using hot glue. But I do recommend you using E6000 or adding Jenga blocks at the bottom for extra support. Once again, I felt like my sign was too plain, so I decided to add this welcome-ish sign. The ish didn't fit in there, that's why I will be cutting it and painting this sign using the Waverly Antique Wax. By the way, I grabbed this welcome sign from Hobby Lobby. It was on sale because it was from their spring collection. The last thing I will be doing is just adding the string back on for the hanger, but that is it. Look how cute this turned out. For my next project, I will be using this heart decor sign that I got a while back from the Dollar Tree. Going to start by removing the little hook. Now, I had grabbed 3 of these a while back, and honestly, I have only used one. I decided to make a small little tray, but I didn't want it to be white. That's why I painted this using the Waverly Antique Wax, which was a little bit hard to get on all in the little crevices. For the bottom, I will be using this circle that I got. I'm not sure from Walmart or Michael's, but it was like 50 cents. So all I did is just mark down the little top part and cut it out. Now I did cut it a little bit more lower of the line just so I make sure it is going to like not be sticking out. I also painted this with the Waverly Antique Wax. Once everything was dry, I just glued down the bottom piece. Now I did use a lot of hot glue. I grabbed some beads that I had and I made some little legs. I thought I needed 4, but I only need 3. So this tray can be used for multiple things. I will be adding some jewelry to this. Like I'm going to just put it beside my stand so every time I am about to go to sleep, I do take off my rings and my Apple Watch, which I'll just lay them right on top of that. But you can always use it for decor as well. But that is it. Look how cute this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.